women's collective in Karnataka has criticized the newly expanded DK Shivkumar cabinet for not including a single woman minister, calling the all male cabinet unacceptable. In a letter to Chief Minister DK Shivkumar, the collective, If We Do Not Rise Karnataka, expressed disappointment over the exclusion of women. It pointed out that there were no women in the Chief Minister's first cabinet either, and said women had once again been denied political representation. The group said the decision was particularly disappointing because women form a significant part of the Congress party's voter base, yet not a single ministerial portfolio was allotted to a woman. The collective also argued that the move contradicted the Congress' commitment to 33% reservation for women and its stated goal of increasing women's representation in politics. In its letter, the group said women have proven their leadership across every field and that the state's economy, governance, and politics require their participation. It alleged that women had been made invisible in the state's highest decision making body. The collective urged the Karnataka government to correct what it called a mistake, saying women's participation is non negotiable and a constitutional responsibility.